short? Is it 2 feet one? Or is it 4 feet?
Actually, it is for both. For both, it's okay. I disconnected this first plug. I disconnected it, and I think so. You connected the plug around the back. The back.
But it's separate?
It's separate.
All right, guys. So we got a big booth we're building right now for our caves we're trying to do. It's biggest thing I've seen as a spray booth. It's 14 feet tall.
Yeah, 14.
And 54 feet long.
54 by 24.
24 front to back.
Yeah.
So huge booth. But I mean, you can see behind us that's one of the molds. We need it. So it's been a pretty big undertaking. Delma's been heading up kind of all of it, really. So this whole area needed to be rearranged too. So we did have some really big racks right here, and our coloring where we mix up all our colors. All of that got moved to the other room while we build this, and then it's all going to come back and shift. The room behind you right now is going to be our new material room, so that's completely redesigned. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff going on. We're going to blow out a wall. We're going to cut this bigger. Hopefully have it all done in 2 weeks. We'll see how that goes. And my dad's not here for any of it, just off playing in the caves, Utah.
And then that could be one big panel, that panel.
So my dad's out in Utah getting the caves that we have out there, like landscaped, up and running, trying to get them, you know, so we can rent them out. So that's pretty exciting. We're here trying to up our production capacity to build the caves with this huge structure behind me. And then the material room behind you, I gotta order more machines and construct tote holders and all kinds of crazy stuff.
I work here, help here.
Solve problems, fix problems.
Yeah.
This is the last building we acquired in the run. So when we first moved in, we had the very end building where production is right now, and then we got the shipping building, so we didn't have that. And then we got our showroom a few years after that. And then this building here that we're in right now is the last building that we were able to rent out. And that spray booth, the little one down there, went in, I think, was it 3 years ago? Easy peasy?
Yeah, 3 years.
3 years ago. So that was for a different company setup we had. It didn't work out. It was pretty cool too, but now we're upgrading a little bit. But this had been the same essentially since we had Easy Peasy. So to have a change like this, it was pretty hard to imagine in the beginning, but now that we got the space and the structures going up, it's pretty cool. It's all starting to come together. I mean, I can't even wait to see it in 2 weeks. So the current plan, so we already have a vent stack up there, but we're not going to use that at the moment unless when we turn the booth on doesn't work, then we have to buy another fan. Right now, we're going to have this be another stack right above me here. And then same position over there will be another one. So we have to put 2 more holes in the roof. And then again, if we have to use that, we will, but hopefully we don't.
And I said, well, do you want to partner with that? And he said, yeah, whatever. So we might be partnering in Tennessee, but he wants one twice as big as that. All our molds have moved up on top, so our main big molds that what this is for are going to be all in this room, so it's not going to be long forklift drives to go and get the pieces.
Where are we up to? So we're waiting for the hole in the roof that was supposed to happen today and got rained out. So we got machines on their way. We're pretty much, what, 80% of the way there?
I love these arms that you've got welded up. I think we're going to probably want them throughout the rest of the factory.
Yeah, Delma made those, so you can make anything pretty much. But,
Yep.
the guys already came and like, we need this in our booth. So that's the next step after these work.
So the hoses is learning to spray is one thing, but learning to hold the gun and move around without the gun dragging, because it's pretty heavy when you're working with that all day. So to have this like it looks like it's laid out is going to be a joy. It's going to make the job a lot easier. So I think this is going to be our most productive area out of all of our buildings. Now we got to put the back plastic on there, and the exhaust system through the roof gives us about another 54 feet by 7 feet, so that's a massive amount of spray booth area as well.
Well, is it less than nothing? Because it was a huge mess with all the racks we had and with everything. So pull that out, and then blank slate, build all this up to what it is now. It's pretty impressive the structure. I haven't seen anything like it before.
I wouldn't go that far.
It's like better than the pyramids.
I mean, it's not really. That's a joke. I mean, it's not bad for a bunch of rock makers, but it's not. And Delma made it, so it's not really
He's
bad.
underselling it. He's underselling
Not
it.
really
It's really cool. Don't listen to him.
So I'm ready to make caves. So you hurry up and get your side of it done. I got my caves done. You got to get your side of it done. Hurry up. The real good part is I can make more stuff because there's more room. That's all I care about.
Perfect.
Perfect. Perfect.